For generations, owning a home has been synonymous with achieving the American dream. It represents stability, security, and a place to truly call your own. Images of families barbecuing in their backyards and children playing on swing sets fill our minds. But behind these idyllic scenes lies a complex financial reality that often catches aspiring homeowners off guard. The truth is, homeownership extends far beyond the picturesque facade. It involves a significant financial commitment that goes well beyond your monthly mortgage payment. Understanding these hidden costs is crucial for anyone considering making the leap from renter to owner. Before you fall head over heels for a charming colonial or a sleek modern condo, let's pull back the curtain and expose the often overlooked expenses associated with owning a home. Only then can you make an informed decision about whether homeownership aligns with your financial goals and priorities. While your mortgage payment will likely be your largest housing expense, it's just the tip of the iceberg. Many first-time homeowners are often surprised by the myriad of additional costs that come with owning a home. These expenses can add up quickly, and if not properly planned for, can strain your finances. Numerous ongoing costs can quickly eat into your budget if you're not prepared. It's essential to have a comprehensive understanding of these expenses to avoid any financial surprises down the road. First and foremost are property taxes, which vary widely depending on your location. These taxes are based on the assessed value of your home and can be a significant annual expense. These taxes fund essential local services like schools and infrastructure, but they can fluctuate from year to year, adding an element of unpredictability to your budget. It's important to stay informed about any changes in your local tax rates. Next, we have homeowners insurance, a non-negotiable expense that protects your investment from unforeseen disasters. This insurance covers a range of potential issues, from natural disasters to theft, ensuring that you are not left financially devastated in the event of an emergency. Factor in monthly utility bills for water, electricity, gas, and garbage collection. These are essential services that you cannot do without, and their costs can vary greatly depending on your usage and the rates in your area. These costs are directly tied to your usage and can fluctuate based on factors like weather and household size. For instance, heating costs can skyrocket during a particularly cold winter, while cooling costs can do the same during a hot summer. Don't forget about maintenance and repairs. Regular upkeep is necessary to keep your home in good condition and to prevent minor issues from becoming major problems. From leaky faucets to landscaping needs, these costs can pop up unexpectedly. It's wise to have a contingency fund set aside specifically for home maintenance and repairs. Setting aside a monthly budget for home maintenance is crucial to avoid being caught off guard by a hefty repair bill. This proactive approach can save you a lot of stress and financial strain in the long run. Finally, if you're considering a condo or townhome, be prepared for potential HOA fees. These fees are used to maintain common areas and shared amenities, such as swimming pools, gyms, and landscaping. These fees cover shared amenities and services within the community, but can add a significant amount to your monthly expenses. It's important to factor these into your overall budget when considering such properties. In conclusion, while homeownership can be a rewarding experience, it's essential to be aware of and plan for these unseen costs to ensure a smooth and financially stable journey. Before you even step foot in your new abode, be prepared for a wave of upfront costs associated with buying a home. These one-time expenses can quickly deplete your savings if you haven't factored them into your budget. The most significant upfront cost is usually the down payment, which can range from 3% to 20% or more of the purchase price. Then there are closing costs, a collection of fees associated with processing the mortgage loan, conducting title searches, and other administrative tasks. Don't forget about potential appraisal fees to assess the fair market value of the property and inspection fees to uncover any hidden issues. Moving expenses can also put a dent in your budget, especially if you're relocating a long distance. Finally, once you've settled in, you might find yourself needing new furnishings, appliances, or decor to truly make the space your own. These costs can quickly add up, so it's important to factor them into your overall budget. Section 4. Owning versus renting, weighing the benefits and drawbacks. The decision to rent or buy a home is a deeply personal one, influenced by a multitude of factors. It's not just about the financial implications, but also about lifestyle choices, future plans, and personal preferences. Both options come with their own set of advantages and disadvantages, and what's right for one person might not be the best fit for another. For instance, some people might value the stability and sense of community that comes with owning a home, while others might prioritize the flexibility and lower commitment of renting. Homeownership offers stability, the freedom to personalize your living space, and the potential for building equity over time. You can paint the walls any color you like, renovate the kitchen, or plant a garden in the backyard. These personal touches can make a house feel like a true home. As you pay down your mortgage, you gradually own more of your home, which can be a valuable asset. This equity can be a financial cushion in times of need or a source of funds for future investments. On the other hand, renting provides flexibility, lower upfront costs, and freedom from responsibility for major repairs. If the roof leaks or the plumbing needs fixing, it's the landlord's responsibility, not yours. This can save you both time and money. If your job requires you to move frequently or you prefer not to deal with the hassles of home maintenance, renting might be a more appealing option. Additionally, renting can allow you to live in neighborhoods or cities where buying a home might be prohibitively expensive. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual circumstances, financial situation, and long-term goals. Are you looking to settle down and build roots in a community, or do you prefer the freedom to move as opportunities arise? Carefully weigh the pros and cons of each option to determine which path aligns best with your needs and aspirations. Consider consulting with a financial advisor or real estate professional to help you make an informed decision. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer, and the right choice is the one that best fits your unique situation. Section 5. Fixed rate doesn't mean fixed costs. The truth about mortgages. Many first-time homebuyers are drawn to the security of a fixed-rate mortgage, believing that their monthly payments will remain consistent for the life of the loan. While it's true that the principal and interest portions of your payment will stay the same, other factors can cause your overall housing costs to rise over time. Remember those pesky property taxes we discussed earlier? They can increase annually, leading to higher mortgage payments if you have an escrow account. Homeowners' insurance premiums can also increase, reflecting factors like inflation and the rising costs of building materials. Furthermore, even with meticulous maintenance, unexpected repairs are an inevitable part of homeownership. A new roof, a failing HVAC system, or a plumbing emergency can result in significant out-of-pocket expenses that can strain your budget. Section 6. The home stretch. Are you ready to be a homeowner? Embarking on the journey to homeownership is an exciting milestone, but it's crucial to approach this decision with a healthy dose of realism and thorough financial preparation. The idea of owning your own home can be incredibly appealing, offering a sense of stability, the freedom to personalize your living space, and the potential for building equity over time. However, it's important to remember that this significant life step comes with its own set of challenges and responsibilities. Before you start browsing for open houses, take the time to assess your financial readiness and educate yourself on the true costs involved. This means looking beyond the initial purchase price and considering the long-term financial commitment. Are you prepared for the down payment, closing costs, and the ongoing expenses that come with homeownership? Create a comprehensive budget that accounts for all potential expenses, including those hidden costs that often catch first-time homeowners off guard. These can include things like home repairs, maintenance, and unexpected emergencies. It's also wise to set aside a contingency fund to cover any unforeseen expenses that may arise. Factor in not just your monthly mortgage payment, but also property taxes, homeowners insurance, utilities, maintenance, and potential HOA fees. These additional costs can add up quickly and significantly impact your overall budget. It's essential to have a clear understanding of all the financial obligations that come with owning a home. Remember that owning a home is a long-term commitment both financially and emotionally. It's not just about having a place to call your own. It's about being prepared to invest time, effort, and money into maintaining and improving your property over the years. This commitment can be incredibly rewarding, but it's important to go into it with your eyes wide open. It's essential to be prepared for the unexpected expenses that inevitably arise and to have a plan in place to address them. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can help prevent small issues from becoming major problems, saving you money and stress in the long run. By approaching homeownership with open eyes and a solid financial foundation, You can turn the dream of owning your own piece of the American dream into a rewarding and fulfilling reality. With careful planning and a realistic understanding of what it takes to be a homeowner, you can enjoy the many benefits that come with having a place to call your own.